Hello everyone, welcome to the special session of Bank of India Promotion Exams Clerical to Scale 1. The date is ending today for application. Those who are in Bank of India, kindly note, today is the last date, 10th September, applied today itself. See, the notification is out. I'm here with the special session for all the Bank of India guys, all of you in Bank of India. Do apply today itself because this is one of the best chances. Now let's go to the circular. Okay, let's go to the notification. Bank of India Bank Promotion Exams 25-26. Bank of India Promotion Exam 25 apply online. See this. Now you can go to your HRMS. See, important part is you can go to the HRMS and then apply. Okay. By going to the HRMS, you can apply. See this. Go to the HRMS and then apply. Yeah. So, through HRMS, you can apply through the HRMS and look at the last date. Importantly, remember, look at the last date. The last date is 10th September. 10th September, today. Today is the last date. Don't miss this last date. Okay? Because the exam is, see, after all, promotion is required for everyone, isn't it? And what are the other features? Let's look at it. See, who is eligible? The cutoff date for eligibility in terms of service is 30th September 2025. So, cutoff the all the criteria which should be considered will be up to 30th September. Okay? Means, what do you mean by this cutoff date? I'll tell you. And the cutoff date for eligibility in terms of educational qualification will be 10th September 2025. 10th September will be for education. 30th September will be for your service. Okay? Service 30th September. Education 10th September. Okay? Now what are the criteria? Okay? What is the eligibility criteria? So criteria number 1, look at it. First, graduate of recognized university provided the applicant has completed 3 years course, 3 years service in clerical cadre in the bank. Okay. So graduate from a recognized university provided the applicant has completed 3 years. Okay. So this will be mainly applicable to you, many of us, because many of us, almost all are graduates, right? And have completed 3 years service. So 3 years service is the criteria for the graduates. Now for others, holder of degree of MBA, MCA means basically postgraduate. Okay? But postgraduate also in which fields? Look at this. MBA, MCA, MMS, PG, DBM of government recognized university, deemed university, provided the applicant has completed at least 2 years. So if you have done your MBA, PG, then 2 years. If only graduate, 3 years. A holder of professional qualification such as CA, company secretary, ICWA, CFA degree, provided the applicant has completed at least 1 year. So now it is 1 year. If you have done your CA, company secretary, ICWA, then it is 1 year. Or clerical clerks not eligible in A, B and C above also may apply, provided they have at least passed SSC, matriculation, 12th standard. So this, many of us, it won't be applicable because we all are in the first 3 categories. Okay. So those who are not eligible in A, B and C above can apply 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern or other equivalent exam of government recognized boards, have completed at least 8 years service in clerical grade. Okay, so you should have completed at least 8 years service. Clerks not eligible to apply under ABCD above may also apply, provided they have completed 10 years service in the clerical grade. So last 2, many of us, it will not be applicable for us because many of us are graduates, PGs, professionals. So first 3 will be, 99% will be under the first 3. But don't lose this. Those who are not in that, you can go for year also. Now, selection process. See, now important selection process. Pay attention to why am I always focusing on CAIB, doing your CAIB. See the importance of CAIB over here. See, service marks is 20 marks. Okay. So you should have completed a maximum of 20. See, 20 marks can be given based on the service completed by 30/9/2025. Okay. So by 30th September, you should have completed the given criteria, whatever is mentioned above. So 20 marks will be given to you. Okay. So remaining part is if somebody has worked in Bank of Karad, leave that. I'll focus on the main points. You can read if you want in details, you can read it over here. Educational qualifications. Look at this, 15 marks. Now, how are these 15 marks distributed? See, as follows. If you are graduate, 3 marks. If you are JAIIB, 5 marks. If you are CAIB, 10 marks. Means, look at this. If you are CA, 10 marks. CA, ICWA. If you are PG, MBA, then 2 marks. Now, imagine if you have done your MBA also. Let's say you have done your CIB also. Then how many marks will you get? You will get 2 marks over here plus 10 marks over here. Again, so 10 marks for CIB, then again JIB marks will not be given. Pay attention. Otherwise, you will say, sir, CIB marks 10 and JIB 5. Once CIB marks are given, it means the marks of JIB are included in that. So again, it will not be given. Graduate, 3 marks. This will be separate. So you can get this separately. Okay. So 2 marks over here, 10 marks over here, and 3 marks over here. Total 15 marks you will get it. Okay. If you are graduate plus CIB plus some MBA. Okay. Written test of 65 marks. Okay. Written test will be there of 65 marks. All candidates must take the written test or online test. The test will be for 130 minutes, 2 hours and 10 minutes. It will have 130 multiple choice questions. Now remaining parts you can read it. Important part was this 130 minutes, 2 hours and 10 minutes and 130 multiple questions. 130 minutes, 130 questions. Remaining thing you can go and read it over here. Probation period. Now what will be the probation period once you clear the exam? So, a clerical staff promoted to the post of general banking officer will undergo 1 year probation period, after which he or she will be considered for confirmation in the service, provided the work performance, conduct and attendance are satisfactory. So, once you become the officer, you will have a 1 year probation period in that. Even though you are permanent over here, you will have a probation period in that, but it doesn't mean your clerical job becomes temporary. No. Okay. What happens is you are promoted over there, but your clerical job is permanent only. Okay. 1 year probation will be given to you, and if they find you unsatisfactory, then again your clerical job is there. It won't go. Otherwise you will get afraid. Sir, my clerical job will also go then. No. That will not be hampered. Okay. So, important point was this, and now at Adda 24/7 we also are ready. Okay, we are also ready with the exams, with the classes. So kindly note, the classes over here are starting. Okay, I will just give you the idea right now, small short idea. I won't give you the full details. We are coming up with the classes for Bank of India notification, this clerical to this skill 1. Excuse me. The batch will be launched. Okay, clerical to skill 1. It will be, date of the exam is 12th October. So batch will be there right now coming up. So 12th October is the exam date. Kindly note, don't miss the exam date. Okay, batch will be launched soon, and specifically for Bank of India it will be. Specifically for Bank of India. Okay. So it won't have any other bank, it won't have any other portion, specifically your portion which is mentioned, which will help you to clear the exams. So you have to go to Adda 24/7, download the app, and after downloading the app, you can get this, go to the batches. Okay. The batch is still coming up. We'll be launching this batch in some days. Okay. All our mentors will be there. So I won't give you the details right now, but kindly note the new batch is coming up. So we are there to help you always. At Adda 24/7, any banking exam, we are there to help. So we will always be there, and do join the batch ASAP. But for that, download the app, okay, and use the code Y432 to get the maximum discounts. Okay, don't miss this. Bye everyone.